Interesting.
Yes, you're right. Very good. Interesting.
Yes. Good.
Yes. Ooh, look at this one.
Yes, amazing. The profound essence is profound. The artist who created this one obviously attended the image workshops provided by Bruce Wolcott.
Yes, you're right. Look at the alt attribute, the width and the height values, the structure of the image. It is relevant, professional, and a touch of effects that could only have been learned at the e-learning institute. Well, that settles it. I'm going online now to sign up for the e-learning faculty summer institute.